Hi. That's feedback, guys. Not giving a hard on.
A plane has crashed and they need you to walk around on the path to find parts from the plane. They want as much information as possible of what you can find. We'll give you a sheet to record what you find and where you find it. The path is marked by these red and white things, and it loops round. One person has to stay on the path, and the rest can organise themselves as well.
Can we start the brief?
Yeah,
no problem. Yeah, okay.
So you're middle, you're middle?
yeah.
Yeah,
I'll
go past.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, let's do it as we go past.
So before we start, we're going to have a brief and then you give us our time to start?
We've got 10 minutes.
From
I
now?
start now?
From now.
Oh, that's good. Right, let's crack on.
Everybody good? Yeah.
And then if you see something, put your hand up, stop the line, pull it out, we'll write it down. Sorry.
Guys, don't forget your shoes. It's an aeroplane, so it's getting stuck in trees, maybe?
We take
Do not pick it up. Don't help me. Right down the wheel, Ian.
Fine.
Will do.
So what show that is? What is it?
Right side, doesn't matter. We've only got 10 minutes.
It's part of the scenario.
Ellen,
At the wheel. Yeah, brilliant.
Davey, how far do you want me to go?
Well, we know the car's coming back, so
Yeah. That wheel's there, yeah.
Yeah.
we will. Just stick to your route at the moment. We'll go up to where it leads.
Okay, so
It's a loop, so... Ian?
team up to the train. Yes.
Over this way, but we're going to miss that otherwise.
Yes, alright. Okay. So it's all that way.
Hang on, give me a second.
We'll wait a bit longer.
yeah, just in a ravine. Yeah, to walk up.
So obviously we'll be contacting the police now.
Yeah, it's taken care of.
As in they're aware of them?
Yeah,
Medically?
it's fine.
Don't get hung
Right,
up on
okay.
that.
Ignore that then. Maybe medical stuff. Yeah. 10 minutes, let's get going.
5 minutes have passed.
I'd rather you take 5 rows, not just build part. Chris can't go down further, okay?
Okay. So, Ian,
Yeah. Okay.
cover up. Are we making sure we're looking up as well, team, yeah? Sorry, up on top there. That's like the cone of the froth.
Chris? Yeah, if you go on with the take them for a Ian, good to see you, mate.
Just be aware the path's quite steep down there, guys.
Oh, that's not
Yeah, it's
it's not part of the...
we're taking it rubbish.
I've got 2 items here. Chris,
Hiya.
I want you to go that way for us. Straight across, make sure there's no casualties. I'm going to carry on down where Chris was. Joe, eyes on, we're going this way. We're going to finish fast as we can.
Yeah?
There's a tramp
Yeah, coming down.
building, not part of the exercise.
You. It's fine.
Oh, this is.
Push yourself, mate. Okay, you good?
Right, he's going off these. You just stay on the path, don't forget.
What have you got there?
I've got approximately 15 items of clothing.
Yeah, have that one.
Okay.
Got this suitcase here, yeah?
Yeah, Joe, crack on for us, mate.
Which way do you want me to go?
This
way,
way,
come down.
just the path this way.
Alright. I've got some rubbish as well, by the way.
Well, to me, 15 metres.
So, the path went up.